Help! Are your anemones opening way too fast and your wedding's still not for a couple days? I'm Sarah from You Floral and I'm here to help you. Anemones are one of our most popular offerings for weddings, and for good reason. They are gorgeous. When they're shipped to you, they're going to be closed bud, like this guy here, and then they take a little bit to open, but sometimes when they start opening, they just start going. And if your wedding is a bit out, you might start to panic. So I'll show you one here that's already opened up. And so this is peak condition for your wedding, but if it's not for a couple days, it'll just keep opening and opening. So the first thing you'll want to do is give your anemone a fresh cut with pruners, not scissors. So the reason we're using pruners is they give a nice clean cut to the stems versus scissors can actually crush the ends a little bit, and then the flower can't uptake water as well. Once we've given them a cut, we're going to put them in some cool water and then put them into the fridge. In the fridge, make sure there's no fruits or vegetables because these emit ethylene gas and that will make them open up even more. Choosing where to store them is very important as well. So this bucket here has about 50% of the stem in the bucket and 50% going out of the bucket. So if you had this guy here, for example, in a container like this, you can see that there's a lot of pressure on the head and the stem is not well supported. Anemones often have this sort of curve to them and their stem is not super strong. So that's even more particularly important with this variety of flowers as well. If they start to wilt, you could use this product called Quick Dip. This is a great product to have in the back of your pocket because it helps hydrate the flowers. But I find with anemones that it actually blows them open even more. So I just save this in case they're ending up wilting. So now we've cut the ends with pruners, we've put them in cool water, we've put them in the fridge. So now they should stay preserved in their size and not open up anymore. So if your wedding is on a Saturday, you're going to want to get your anemones closest to your wedding. So I would get them on a Friday or a Thursday. And if you're doing boutonnieres using them, be aware that they're very delicate. So I would even actually make 2 boutonnieres just in case something happens to one. And then storing them in a hydration chamber, which I'll link how to make one, is really important for these guys. Your boutonnieres should be made as close to your wedding as possible. So for a Saturday wedding, make them Friday night so they're in water for as long as possible. And the last tip I'll give you on anemones is keep them in their own container. They don't like to be smushed or crushed, and so you want to have them somewhere so they can be by themselves and protected. If you want to know where to buy them, well, You Floral ships all across Canada and the US, and we are happy to help with any questions you have. If you have anything you want to know about panda anemones, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.